In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the font in Odoo using the built-in website editor, step by step, using the Odoo demo site so you can follow along without installing anything. This is perfect if you're customizing an Odoo website theme and want to update the typography to better match your brand or design style. We'll do everything visually with no coding required. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Odoo Demo and press Enter. From the search results, click on the Odoo Demo link. This will take you to an official Odoo demo environment where you can explore features safely. Once the demo page loads, select demo5.odoo.com. This demo includes a fully functional website that we can edit. After the site loads, look toward the top of the page and click on the Edit button. This switches the website into edit mode and allows you to customize the design and layout visually. Now that you're in edit mode, move your cursor to the right-hand side panel. Here, click on Theme. This is where Odoo allows you to control the appearance of your website, including fonts, colors, and layout options. Inside the theme settings, look for the typography or font options. Depending on the theme, you'll see choices for heading fonts, body text fonts, and sometimes button or menu fonts. Click on the font drop-down and browse through the available font options. Odoo provides several built-in fonts that you can apply instantly. Select the font you want, and you'll see the website preview update in real time. This makes it easy to compare fonts and choose the one that looks best for your content. You can repeat this process for headings and body text to create a consistent design. Take your time here and preview different combinations. Once you're happy with the font changes, review your site to make sure everything looks readable and aligned properly. When you're satisfied, click Save to apply the changes. That's it. You've successfully changed the font in Odoo using the website editor. No code, no extra tools, and no risk to your live site when using the demo. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Odoo tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.